Nigerian billionaire businessman, philanthropist, and socialite Obi Cubana marked his 50th birthday in grand style last weekend. It wasn't just another high-profile event, it was a masterclass in luxury, networking, and showmanship, reaffirming his status as one of Nigeria's richest businessmen. The party themed 50 for 50, which was held at the lavish and expensive Transcorp Hilton Hotel in Maitama district of Abuja, brought together a gathering of Nigeria's political, business, and entertainment elite. Notable guests include Senator Eyena Abaribe, Senator Chris Ngige, former Deputy Speaker Emeka Nyedioha, former Senator Dino Melaye, Helen Oyema of Airpeace, Pastor Biodo Fatoyinbo, Pastor Jerry Heze, Chief Dele Momodu, Billionaire Joe Zaza, Cubana Chief Priest, among others. The entertainment industry also made a big splash. The exciting performance by global Afrobeat star Flavor, who got the audience standing up as they danced to the highlife music category. He was joined by others like music boss Paul Okoye and actress Iyabo Ojo. On the red carpet, stars like Iniedo, Ebuka Obi Uchendu, Kanayo O Kanayo, and reality stars Mercy Eke and Tacha Akide added glam to the night. Obi Cubana thanked his family, friends, and fans in an emotional speech. He promised to continue empowering young people and promoting Nigerian culture. Known for his success in light night, real estate, and business, Obi Cubana's celebration was more than just a party. It was a glamorous event showing how far he has come. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.